In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce in WordPress. By the end, you'll have WooCommerce installed, activated, and ready with your basic store details and payment options so you can start building your online shop with confidence. Begin by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then select Add New. Use the search bar to type WooCommerce. When you find the WooCommerce plugin, click Install Now, and once the install finishes, click Activate. This part adds the core e-commerce functionality to your site in just a couple of clicks. Right after activation, WooCommerce typically opens a setup flow to guide you through the essentials. Take a moment here to fill in your store details carefully. Enter your store's address, choose your country and currency, and confirm the basic information about what you plan to sell. Select whether you're offering physical products, digital downloads, or a mix of both. These choices help WooCommerce tailor default options behind the scenes, so everyday tasks like shipping for physical items or automatic delivery for downloadable products work the way you expect. If you ever need to revisit any of this, look to your left panel in WordPress. You'll now see a WooCommerce menu with links to your store's settings. It's a handy hub where you can fine-tune anything you entered during setup. Next, let's find your payment settings. In the left panel, click WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. Here you'll see the available payment methods. Turn on the options you'd like to offer at checkout and follow the on-screen prompts for each one. The interface will guide you through what's required, and you can always come back later to add or adjust methods as your store grows. Be sure to save your changes before leaving the page so everything is applied to your checkout. At this stage, you've covered the essentials. WooCommerce is installed and activated, your store details are in place, and your payments are set up from the WooCommerce settings area under the Payments tab. From here, feel free to explore the plugin's features. The WooCommerce menu gives you access to orders, customers, and useful tools for managing your store. As you become more comfortable, you can explore extensions to add functionality, review analytics to understand your sales, and adjust settings to match your workflow. That's it for your foundational setup. You've got WooCommerce running and ready to support your online business with a clear path to customize as you go.